Honorable Minister, Union Minister for River agreed in the meeting held in the last week along with Honorable MLA Churchill Alemao to Desilt River Sal and to construct the bank sides of the river. Now if this is done, then most of the flooded area which is affecting in the rainy season will slightly have upper hand and people will be benefited with this desilting of river Sal.
सुदिनान लक्ष घाले म्हूण चर्चिल सातिस्वेत.
हाल्या तरी तो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आता तरी कोण गेलो आणि आमगे तरी लोक मरण लागला जाल्यार आमकां चिरापलो काय ना काय आनी तेकाय ना काय म्हूण ताणें तें मानून घेतलां. आनीक टायम बींग हांव मागोतां आनी हांव जाणा कॅपेसिटी सुदिनाली ते कॅपेसिटी आहा स्टील हें करपाक आनी ती जातली पण मातसो टायम येतलो. सो हांव चड उपकारी ह्याच्या दिसाक तो येयलो आनी थंय ग्रॅव्हन्सीस गेल्यो आनी तो मानून घेतली म्हणून.
साळ न्हंय उसपुपाची गजाल मान्य एस्टिमेट जातलो. मात स्टिल्टाचेर बायपास उबारप म्हणल्यार खर्च 3 पट वाडटलो. ताचेर खंय सुदीन गडकरी कडेन उलयतलो. तो म्हणटा सद्याक काम चल्लां तशें चलू.
The total cost will go to 3 times of the original cost, which is around 800 to 900 crores. And it is difficult to have at this stage in the same work and the same we have to bring to the notice of Union Ministry, which I will do in another 15 days. Now even to curtail the project at this stage, it is difficult. So I personally feel that whatever work going on will be completed, and also the grievances raised by the villagers will brought to the notice, and then only the file will be moved for the further curtailment of the work.
साळ न्हंयचे देगेवेले गांवचे पंच सरपंच आणि लोक न्हंय उसपूंक तयार जाल्यात.
In principle they agree. In principle they agree. And I am proud also to hear today from all sarpanchas of the nearby of this particular river that they agreed for desilting.
Good decision.
Good decision by all. I congratulate all sarpancha and villagers of that particular area.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस.